Hello everybody, this is going to be another room vacuuming video like I said in my previous one. So this time I'm going to be using the Bissell Rewind Smart Clean bagless vacuum and my room hasn't been vacuumed in over 2 weeks, so let's see how much dirt it will pick up. And I did put some dirt from my other vacuum on the floor, I know that, but there'll be like extra dirt that's deep hidden in the carpet, and let's see this how well this vacuum will pick up. So that's my cat right there. So I'll go ahead and set this on a tripod, and I'll start from different parts of the room. Like I'll start from right here, and then move the tripod to like here, and then right here. So since I won't be able to get the whole thing, so here we go. And my radios did do the weekly test, so there's a weekly test issued. So required weekly test. So here we go. Monkeys. Yeah. Oops. Sorry about that, y'all. Come on, Lisa. So here we go. Let's see how much dirt this will pick up. Oh, it's picking up a lot of it. So, in case you're wondering, you may notice I moved, some of my cat's stuff out of the way, like her bed and her litter box. So, since this part doesn't get back to where I want to move that stuff out of the way, so it's back in that spot. But, it's picking up pretty well. So, as you can see, there's like a bunch of dirt in there, and so it's doing a pretty good job. So, I'll go ahead and move different spots, and I do go over the same spot a couple of times just to make sure I pick up everything. So that's what the proper way of vacuuming is. So I'll go ahead and move this to a different spot now. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so here we go. Wow, looks like it did a pretty good job. So yeah, that's a lot of dirt it picked up. So let's see the results look. Whew, yeah, look at all that dirt and stuff, you know, it's... Yeah, my room hasn't been vacuumed in over 2 weeks, so this is how much dirt it picked up. So it looks like it did a pretty good job, so I'll give this an A on this scale. So yeah, even though it is kind of noisy and it was kind of hard to push the vacuum on carpet, so if you have thicker carpet, I don't recommend getting this one because it's pretty hard to push sometimes. So, but for thinner carpet, then this will be pretty good for thin carpet. So even on the highest setting, it can still be hard to push. So, anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll post more vacuum videos soon or other videos I like. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.